Welcome to another exciting moment learning mathematics with Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Today, we are still looking at factorization, but then we are going gradually anyway. We are going to factorize binomial expressions. That's what we'll be looking at today, binomial expressions. As we go deeper, your knowledge will get broadened as we continue in this course of factorization for a while. But before we start factorizing the examples we have on the board, what is a binomial expression? Someone may ask. A binomial expression is any expression that have just two terms. If you look at the examples we have on the board, we have this term 9a and this other term minus 3z. We have another term 5x squared and another term 15x. We have on this one 2mn and on the other side minus m squared, 8m squared h. So these are algebraic expressions. They contain just two terms. So we are going to factorize them. To factorize means to write them as a product of their factors. To write them as product of their factors. To write them as product of their factors. So quickly, I'm going to do the examples we have here. I'm going to start with the first. We have a 9a minus 3z. We are going to use our knowledge on HCF of algebraic expression. We did that in our last videos. If you still do not follow while we solve here, you can go back to that video and try to get the knowledge there. So we'll be using that knowledge to solve these. So we are going to put these numbers. We have 9a and then we have 3z. We are going to see what can divide both terms at the same time by using, remember we are using this minus 3z. We are using HCF. So we have what can go to 9 and minus 3. We have 3. 9a divided by 3, we have 3a. And minus 3z divided by 3, we have minus z. So what else can divide 3a and minus z? Nothing. So the HCF is equals to 3. Therefore, 9a minus 3z, if you factorize, bring out the HCF and open up a bracket. Then whatever is remaining here, you write it at 3a, and whatever is remaining here, you write it at minus z. So with this, we have successfully factorized 9a minus 3z. Remember, we looked for the HCF. The HCF becomes a factor, and then whatever is remaining at the end, we bring it out in a bracket, and also that becomes a factor. So this is 3 times 3a minus z. So this is the solution to this. Okay, we'll try that with the other two examples, and then I'll leave you with an exercise. So let's look at B, 5s squared plus 15x. Again, we are going to find the ACF. So what can go to 5 and 15? We have 5. 5 divided by 5, we have 1x squared. Remember, we don't write the 1. 15x divided by 5, that gives us 3x. So what else can go to both terms at the same time? We have x. So x can go, x squared divided by x, we have x, and 3x divided by x, we have 3. At this point, nothing can go into x and 3 at the same time. In case you are not getting what we are doing here, you can check our last video on ACF of algebraic terms. So at this point, the ACF is equal to 5x. It's a 5 times x. Therefore, to factorize this, 5x squared plus 15x. Remember, the sign between this is plus. You can just bring it down. So we have here x is equal to 5x squared plus 15x is equal to, bring out the ACF, which becomes a factor, and then open up a bracket, bring what is left here, x, and bring what is left here, plus 3. So this is the solution to this. If you open up this or expand this, which we did in one of our videos, you get back what you have here. You get back what you have here. Alright? If you have any questions, don't forget you can drop them at the comment section. We're glad to respond to your questions. Let's look at the last example there. Is 2mh minus 8m squared h. So we are still going to look for the ACF of these two terms. We have 2mh and then minus 8m squared h. So let's see what can go. We have 2 can go to both terms. 2 into this, we have mh minus 8m squared h divided by 2 gives us minus 4m squared h. What can go to both terms now is m. M here we have h. M here we have minus 4mh. Then what else can go? Remember this m squared, so we have mm here. So 1m is out, so we are left with 1. I think h can go. H here we have 1, and h here we have minus 4m. At this point, nothing can go to both terms again, and so our ACF is equal to 2mh. So with this, our factors become we have the ACF, which become a factor, 2mh into what we have here, 1, and what we have here left, minus 4m in bracket. So these are the two factors of this binomial expression. Alright, don't forget to share this video. Also, don't forget to like. I'll leave you with an exercise now. Remember to solve them and give us your result in the comment section. We'll be glad to have your work there, and then also give corrections if possible. Alright, let's take your exercise now. This you are going to factorize 3mp³ minus 6m²p. So just do this one is enough. Thank you. Bye.